Hello everyone, I'm Wayne Hunter, CEO and founder of Avtech Solutions. I'm here today to talk to you about a networking problem. I come from the enterprise space as a VAR, implementing large-scale networks, and coming down into the MSP space and as well as the MSSP space today. We as MSPs experience a lot of change in the networking environments over the past 2 years. From where we used to have an environment we could control, because it was all in one building, to now it's everywhere. The edge has changed. So what's our problem? We got network security. How do we go deploy it? We look at it and say we want corporate policy and protection so we can meet compliancy, but how do I do that when I'm dealing with a network at home or in Starbucks, wherever it may be? Well, the technology stacks we've been using, we've had to use 3 or 4 or 5 different products, meld them together, manage all the configurations, and then try to monitor it and educate people how to take care of it. That's a tough problem. And I was approached by Cytracom and asked me if I would get involved in an early adopter program to look at solving this networking problem. Of course, I said yes. If I can take one product that I can put onto a laptop in a business, a single person, and I can put corporate level policy to how I want that to work, and I can take the split tunneling out, I can guarantee no other network is accessing it. Oh man, that's pretty cool. But what if I can take that same thing, now go into a small business that's brick and mortar? I need a router, firewall, but I still got the people working at home. I'm in a hybrid space. Now I've changed the rules a little bit. Could I do that with the same product? Well, we even stretch it further, where I spend a lot of time in the enterprise space, where I've got lots of branches. I got the corporate environment, got multiple branches, and I still got the work from home. That's even tougher. VPNs, all over the place. How do I maintain it? Do I know the right people coming across it? Can I take that same product and put there? Well, there's an interesting product today called Control One. It will allow me to do that very thing. I can take a single customer that I have, like a CPA office, put it on there, set corporate policy, and I can monitor what's going on. But I can take the same thing and put into a single business or multiple branch. That's an awesome thing to be able to do. Monitor it, control it, apply configuration, deploy hardware. It checks in, downloads its configuration, it's up and running. Well, that means I reduce my time, amount of people I'm sending out, and be more efficient. To us MSPs, what does that mean? More money in our pocket. But we're assured that I got control. I can protect the customer. I'm meeting their compliancy. Let's talk about a compliancy a little bit further. We've all heard about all this thing coming in, it's called CMMC. There's a lot of us MSPs that's involved in that. That brings in NIST 171. I have to show, not only in policy, but in procedure and in practice, I'm securing data. I can make sure other environments cannot come in. Split tunneling, not allowed. So how do I do that? If I got a product that I can deploy and see what networks are connecting across, their actual MAC addresses, real time, the user that's actually logging in on that device. I can identify it's the same user or a different user. But also, what if I have a product that allows when a device connects in and it doesn't meet my security policy? Well, right now, as long as it can touch the network, it's in. Then I've got to go find it. If I have something that's monitoring, it might catch it, and then go figure out what to do. But if I have a product that soon as it connects, it evaluates it and says, this don't meet my security stack, I'm gonna isolate it and it's gonna alert me, and now I can go deal with it. How much time does that save you? Well, you definitely gotta take a look at Control One, because it's changing the dynamics of what we do from a networking and security posture standpoint. Cannot stress enough what a game changer it is.